It may seem like fun, but the theme park industry is serious business. It's driving a building boom of sorts at the capital of theme parks, Orlando. Disney will spend an estimated $760 million on a fourth Orlando theme park, while MCA and a British partner are spending $2 billion at Universal Studios Florida, and Anheuser-Busch is spending millions more on its SeaWorld attraction. Analysts say the expansions are driven partly by what some might call the been there, done that strategy. After someone's visited the parks a number of times over the years, they've pretty much seen all there is to see. So getting people to return just that one more time is an important part of any park's attendance strategy.
When you're talking about repeat visitors and someone was here 10 years ago, you want to get them back, and you want to get them back because you have something new to offer. You're not going to get them back if you still have Mr. Toad's Wild Ride as the only thing to see.
There's also the competition to think about. Competition among theme parks and with all the other tourist destinations around the globe. Disney World executives learned that when in a 6-year period, the number of first-time visitors to the Orlando park dropped by half. Since then, they've changed their marketing strategy.
We have specifically in the last year to 2 years focused more on broadening our appeal not just to families but to many non-family groups as well. And to do that successfully, you do need to offer a broad range of diverse product. And I think we have been doing that over the last 2 or 3 years in our existing parks, as well as adding new projects to Walt Disney World.
The latest planned for this site in Orlando is a new animal theme park called Disney's Wild Kingdom. SeaWorld is doing some adding of its own. It recently built a wild Arctic attraction with simulator rides and new marine exhibits. Now, executives are planning a Key West attraction to further broaden the park's appeal. At Universal Studios Florida, they're building a second theme park, an entertainment district, and thousands of on-site hotel rooms. The idea is to make it more than just a place to visit for the day.
So of the total numbers of people coming to the marketplace, a number will choose to stay on property with us, to visit all of our parks and the entertainment offerings that we have here. So we really convert from being a park that you'd visit on a daily basis to a resort that you come and stay at for an extended period of time.
But as the theme parks expand, is there enough demand? Are there enough people to fill them profitably? Analysts say yes, but not necessarily at all the parks all the time. And for that reason, you can expect theme park operators to keep expanding in the future. The global competition for tourist dollars and the need to remain fresh and new will see to that. Jeff Yasteen, Nightly Business Report, Orlando.